Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI Y7A and I'm gonna show you how to activate audio control in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. At the second place now we have audio control option, so by tapping on it we get access to this button and we can turn it on and off as we need. Now let me keep this turnet on, and here we can take a picture without touching the screen by saying some keywords, for example say cheese to take photos or speak loudly to take photos. Let me stay on speak loudly to take photos, and let's go back to the camera now, and let me try to take a picture by speaking loudly now. Hello! So once again let me try. Hello! And as you can see, this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.